Welcome, ladies, to the flip through of the Altered Purse Steampunk Junk Journal. So this is the tassel that I created for it. I altered it a bit with snaps. I altered it with metallics. This is a pocket on the outside, which I have stuffed to the brim of journaling cards with tabs. There is the spine. It's one signature. This is the zipper. Now we will do the flip through. So you open it like this. You have pockets with journaling cards, a mechanical pencil, a pocket, little notebook, then we have our this book belongs to. We have, there's a few pages in here from a vintage book about steam, metals, and industry. So I have a few pages in here for that. I have lace inverted tabs on a few pages. Stenciling, layering, tags, more lace, corner tuck with tags layered, side tuck with tags, journal cards, lace, fabric, fabric flip, lace. This is a multi-pocket, and there is a tag that has a vintage glaseline envelope, and there's a little card in there. A pocket with a little miniature envelope with a little card, journaling cards, and then two mini tags. We have charms on our tie, fabric flip, lace, side pocket, journaling cards, altered paper clip, journaling cards, stenciling, lace, side tuck, journaling cards, side tuck layered with fabric, paper, miniature doily, and a button, and journaling cards, pockets, journaling cards. I'm pretty sure I left this one empty. So there it is, ladies. Altered purse made into a steampunk junk journal. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Here's a preview of the lace covered one that is not completed at this point, but will be soon. But let me give you a sneak peek. Here's the spine. It has snaps for the stabilizers for the cording. There's the inside cover. So beginning page, unfinished tags, pocket, pocket, rice paper collaged on, tag, unfinished, envelope center which hides the knot, and then the jewels are hanging down, charms hanging down there. Altered claw, bear claw, bull clamp. I'll figure it out. Envelope. Unfinished, unfinished. And I think that is the end of the majority of it. There's a little bit here. There's another poem here. And then it is made into a tuck spot. And then the back has a opening here to put things in. And then there's the back cover. It will have a tassel, which the tassel is right here. And there's the next one. It'll be done soon. I'll add a flip through as we close this series out of it completed. But for now, thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.